How's it going, everybody? We're working on the truck today. This is a 2011 XLT with 3.5 Ecoboost. And yes, I need to clean the engine. But we're going to be changing the water pump today. If you look down in there, that black pulley is where the water pump is. So we got to remove this top charge pipe. We got to unclip this, pull this hose off. I'm going to try to do it without pulling the throttle body, so we'll see how that works. Looks like I can. We're going to give it a shot. But we'll move down here. I found the drain for the radiator. So I don't know if I can show you guys because it's way up in here. Let's see if I can. Yeah, that red knob there drains the coolant. So I'm gonna go get some catches and we're gonna start draining this. Hopefully I have enough coolant. If not, I'll have to go buy some more. But I believe it takes 3 gallons. But we're gonna move. I had to take that off. I just used a plastic trim tool for that. So right here, here's the water pump. So we got the water pump here. So we got the water pump here and instructions. Won't need those. We got the seal for the housing for the thermostat, and then the crossover tube seals. I'll put these part numbers in the link in the description. I'll put them in the description so you have them. But see, yeah, there's the part number. It's the actual Ford part number. This is Velcro replacement, and this is Murray water pump. Only thing I don't care for the water pump, it's got a plastic impeller, but that's what they're doing nowadays. So we'll get started on this. Okay, got you all set up. I already loosened these, so they should pull right off. So we'll get that out of the way, that vacuum hose out of the way, and pull these clips, maybe. Okay, got that one. Got that pulled out. That one. And we'll work this out. Whoa! Okay, got the charge pipe out of the way. Before I forget, you'll need a 8mm socket, a 10mm, a 7mm, and a 15mm socket. And there's my trim tool. Got all these other tools here, but you'll need the long extension and a ratchet. Okay, we got it draining. Making sure we're catching all of it. Looks like I have another pipe I gotta get out of the way, which is this one here. So there's a bolt right there. It looks like it's 8mm. So we'll get that bolt loose, allow this to drain, see if I can get this pipe out of the way. Boy, why did they put that on the back side? I love it when they do stuff like that. Okay, we'll get started on that. See if I can get that out of there. We'll take the cover off. Get it out of the way. There's that. Okay, let's see. This is loose. We got another clip here. I don't know if you can see what I'm looking at. Yeah, you can. Right here. Pop that out. Get that out of our way. And that runs to this side. And there's a big clip on this. It's got two little tabs. And you pull up on it. And then that pops off. So we can pull that out of here. So I'll unhook it from the bottle. We'll unhook it from the bottle. This clip here. If I can get it loose. Let me grab the other pliers. Pull that tube off. There it goes. Then we can get this out of the way. It's attached to that. I'll just leave it attached. No point in taking it off. So I'm trying to do this as easily as possible. I want to see if I can get to that. I got to take this one pipe out. This pipe here's got to come out. So I got to find out where that's attached. Okay, I already got that one loose, so this one I can just leave to the side. So we're good. Let's see if I can pull on it. There's a retainer here where it sits into that I gotta pop it out of. It's right there. All right, before I can pull that out, I gotta unloosen this bolt. That's an 8mm right there. So we'll get that out of here. Boy, they put that in a good spot. You barely get on it. Well, that was pretty easy. Okay. All right. There's that 8mm. It's long. We're going to set it where we remember where it's at. Now maybe I can remove this pipe. Maybe not. Give it another shot. Maybe I don't have it loosened. I'm sure I do. Or I don't have the right one unhooked. We'll have to take a look. Well guys, make sure you loosen the right hose clamp. That was my problem. We'll loosen this one down here. Grab you here. This one way down here a little bit more. It's pretty loose. Should come out. We'll go a couple more turns. Now it should come out. Get the right hose clamp might help. Come on. It's almost off there. It's not a whole lot of room. There. Well, we got that one. Move these hoses out of the way. The bottom popped out. Okay. By the way, these are 8mm. None of mine have been 7, so you might not need the 7mm. We will see. Come on, give me enough room. Crap. Trying to get it past. Well, that's permanently attached. Here we go. We're getting there. God damn it. We're getting somewhere. It's not as well. We got it. Holy cow, that sucks. Okay, we got it. Well, I did not want to have to take that out, but I did. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to put the catch cans back up on here. Well, that's... Okay guys, I got that hose out of the way. I got it sitting over here. Right there. I unhooked it from there, just a little metal clip. You guys want to see the clip, it's right there. So, I think I can do this without taking that housing off. If I can, I'm going to do it. Because I don't want to hassle with that, and if I can do that, it'll make it a lot easier. We'll see what happens, but I'm gonna get started, see if I can get it off. Wait a second, I can't. I can't do it. So disregard that. It's got to come off. So I'm glad I bought the stuff to get that. So we're going to start unhooking some coolant hoses and stuff and get to work. I decided I'm going to use a deep well to get this pulley tensioner so I can get down in there. I believe that's the 15 millimeter. I got the bolts on the pulley loose, so that pulley right there in the middle is the one we're going to get. I don't know if I'll be able to get you down in there and do this all at the same time. I'll probably be in the way. It'd be nice to have a GoPro to put on my head so I can do this, and then I could show you a lot more. We got that. Okay. Now we're going to get this belt off. Okay. Belt's off. And that was the 15 millimeter. We'll pull the serpentine belt off here. Okay, we got it off. And it's drenched with coolant. I'll have to wipe that off later. Okay, now we're going to move on. Take this okay guys, it's loose. There's actually 4 bolts holding it in, and there, that intermediate pipe wants to come with it. And if you look down there, you see it moving. That's the intermediate pipe that flows across. So I'm gonna pull that out. We're gonna pull this out, see if we can wiggle her loose. She don't want to come out. I figured this would happen. There it goes. I don't think the part that I want to come off is going to move. It does not want to come out of there. It's in there pretty good. I'm trying to avoid taking this throttle body off. Looks like we might have to, so I can get some room. Gosh darn it. Okay. Oh, I did not want to take that off. Well, we'll try one more time. Boy, she's in there. If I can get this frickin' hose undone. Got that hose out. Now maybe give me some more room. Take the pulley off. Yeah, that looks like this is where this was leaking. Could have been my problem the whole time. Yep, and it is. That's right exactly where it's at. Let's see if I can show you. That's right where it was. That's right where the weep hole is on this thing. Try to wiggle this out of here now. Hopefully the wind don't blow you over. There, it went. Huh. Well, something's going wrong here. I can't get that out. Well, that sucker's in there. It's starting to move. Problem with aluminum and frickin' steel. Well guys, I gotta take the throttle body off. I can't get this pipe out unless it's off of here. So, that's what we're gonna be doing. Got these 4 bolts. They're 8mm. So, apparently you gotta take a lot of crap off this thing. Well, it's out. There's the O-rings that we're replacing. So we're going to do that now. We're replacing that O-ring, so we're going to do that now too. So I'm going to pop these out of here just like that. Pop this one out of here just like that. I don't think it matters which side's to front, so we're good there. Okay, part number from Ford, C32 119 for the seal on the pipes. So what I like to do is I'm gonna go get some grease and I'm gonna grease these. I'll be right back. Okay, I got a little bit of grease here. What I do is I do them like this. There's one, and then just roll it around on there. Whoop. There's one. Get some more grease here. That on there. Do the same with this one. Be careful you don't cut it. There we are. That's all ready to go. Now we're replacing this one on the housing. This one just sets in, and then it's a smash fit. This is a Felpro. It's part number 35934. So these are cheap. I got all these for 15 bucks. So both sides are the same, just checking to make sure. And then you just press it down in there. To put it in the same way as I took it out. Check and make sure everything's good. Yeah, that was to the back. So, here we go. Back in we go. Go ahead and put it back in. That way I know I have it in. I'll figure out how I put this in first. Dropped it down. In this way. Down this way. Haha. What's going on here? Stupid fan. There we go. You gotta run it into the fan, make sure you don't hit the radiator. And we're just gonna feel around for it. I think it's in. Slid right in. Okay. Guess we'll find out if it leaks. And then I'll be pissed. Because then I'll have to do this all over again. I don't think it will. It was already lined up and it just slid in, so I think we're good. All right, now taking this water pump off. And these look like 8mm also. See that O-ring? It's not supposed to be like that. I can move it, and it's not supposed to be like that, so that's the problem. We're going to get the rest of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, it looks like. I don't see any more. I'll let you know if there's one more. But I got to get this going. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this real quick. Guess what material this is made out of? That's not metal. That is plastic. And here's my coolant leak. Right here. That was molded to plastic. Plastic gets hot, what happens? It gives away. So, plastic. That's unbelievable. Plastic. Wow. Okay, guys. Apparently somebody wasn't here before. Because the new one, check this out. They went to metal. Plastic, metal. Plastic, metal. So that is an upgrade. But that is crazy. Well, I'm gonna get this surface cleaned off. We're gonna get this stuck in. Holy cow, plastic. I never thought I would see that. A gasket with plastic. Yep, that explains my coolant leak. Okay guys, took some steel wool because there was some corrosion around here where it was leaking. I got that all nice and smooth and got that corrosion off there. That way I don't have future leaks. Well, we're gonna get this one installed. Oh, by the way, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts in here. There was one I missed and it was at the very top. It was hiding right right there. So we'll get this back together and get this sucker done. Okay, new water pumps in. Oh, this wasn't fun, but I didn't have to remove as much stuff as some people, but we're going to get this back together. Everything's in reverse, but hopefully this works, because I'm tired of leaking coolant, tired of buying coolant. But it did come with a better gasket. It's made out of metal, not plastic. So this should do the trick. So I'm gonna get this thrown together so I can get this done. I'm gonna need this truck here soon. I was hoping I'd have time to do the catch can today, but that'll probably have to be next weekend. And the new car's coming next weekend. So everybody, you have a wonderful and great day. I need to get a better way to film this stuff, because the way it is now, it makes it really hard to do. But on that turbo down there, make sure you loosen the proper hose clamp. But you guys like the channel, please like and subscribe. You subscribe, it helps this channel, and maybe I can get some cameras and stuff and get something set up to where I can do a better job at this. Trying to do this with your phone kind of stinks, but we'll get everything else together. I gotta get this done today. I got other stuff to do. So I'll catch you later.